Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wyze app with Amazon Alexa step by step clearly. To authorize the Wyze app with Amazon Alexa, start by ensuring both the Wyze app and the Amazon Alexa app are installed on your device. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone. Log into your Wyze account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Integrations. Select Amazon Alexa from the list of available integrations. A new screen will appear with instructions on linking the apps. Tap the Link Account button. This action will redirect you to the Amazon login page. Enter your Amazon credentials and tap Sign In. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions for the Wyze app to access your Amazon account. Once linked, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the accounts are now connected. Return to the Wyze app, and you may need to select which devices you want to enable for use with Alexa. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your device. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon located at the bottom menu. Select the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the options presented. Scroll down and select Wyze from the list of brands. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan for your Wyze devices. Once your devices are discovered, you can label them for easier identification. Now, finish the setup by tapping Done. You can start using voice commands with your Wyze devices through Amazon Alexa. Simply say, "Alexa, discover my devices" if you don't see them immediately. Now you are ready to control your Wyze devices using Alexa voice commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.